You've probably been meeting in virtual classrooms for quite a while now, but how many of those classes have been specifically for you and about you? Dream Up Now shows you how to use the power of a good day to make your life go the way you want. We believe if you're experiencing feelings of happiness, of confidence, and of power, then you're in the perfect state of mind to begin building the life you want to live.
The best part, though? You get to explore your own talents and creativity along the way. If you've ever daydreamed about the kind of person you'd like to become, or wished you could try something new, or just want to expand your circle of friends, then this 6-week workshop is for you. You can do this. All it takes is an hour and a half once a week. You'll meet up with your leader and other teams in real time. But unlike school classes, these workshop sessions are your time to share your artistic side and talk about what's on your mind. Make plans for the future that you want to create.
The more you explore your likes, dislikes, and dreams for the future, the more powerful you become, especially when it comes to making decisions, speaking up for what you want, and being your most real you. This workshop will help you figure out who you are, what really matters to you, and where you want to go in life. You'll learn how to have more confidence, strength, and self-belief when you use creative ways to turn your darkness into light. Yes, I said darkness. Half the time we'll be sorting out the rougher parts of being a teen, the things that disappointed you, the things that hurt. But there's some good news. Even the most painful feelings don't last forever. Using the Dream Up Now journal, you'll discover that emotions are impermanent and that you have everything you need to decide how you feel and what you think. At every session, you'll find a creative and artistic way to solve real problems, deal with your feelings, and how to transform dark emotions into the kind of feelings you'd like to have more often.
If you're ready to learn how to take control of your feelings, if you'd like to find out how to use art to transform your darkness into light, then you're ready to take this workshop, Building Confidence and Pursuing Your Potential. Let's get started.